How to change a Facebook page name. Let's get started. Launch a Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the menu page. Once you're in this page, over here at the top you're gonna find a username, and at the right corner of it you're gonna find 3 dots. Clicking on that, you're gonna find the option of your Facebook page. Now select the Facebook page that you wanna change name for. Open it. Once you have opened it, now again head towards the menu page. Click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Different sections will appear. Under audience and visibility, you'll find the option of page setup. Click on it. Now click on the option of name. Now from here you can easily change name for your Facebook page. If you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. Once you are done, you can click on the option of review change. Click on submit for approval. Now you will be receiving code in your email address that is linked with your account. Go and check and type in the code and click on continue. And just with that, your new name will be updated. So this is how you can easily change your Facebook page name. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.